Scalping can be a very effective way to make quick profits in the crypto markets. And the best part is you can do it using free TradingView indicators. In today's video, I'll be showing you a super simple yet powerful scalping strategy that's perfect for beginners and pros alike, so make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video for all the details. To use this scalping strategy, you can start by going to TradingView. In this example, we will demonstrate the scalping strategy on the BTC-USD pair. So now, set the pair to BTC-USD, then set the time frame to 15 minutes. After that, go to the Indicator Search tab and type in BlackPXBT-USD algo. Next, select the BlackPXBT-USD algo by Pikachu Ventures. After that, adjust the settings on the BlackP indicator. In the Input tab, change the look-back period to 15 and set the sensitivity to 5. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for the upper line, lower line, TP when long, and TP when short. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This BlackP indicator will guide you in placing orders in the market, where you only need to follow the signals generated by the indicator. To increase the accuracy of the signals, now add one more indicator that will be used as a trend filter. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type in Ripster EMA Clouds. Next, select Ripster EMA Clouds by Ripster47. Then adjust the settings on the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator. In the Input tab, change the value of short EMA 1 to 20 and long EMA 1 to 50. Then, uncheck the boxes for Show EMA Cloud 2 and Show EMA Cloud 3. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This Ripster EMA Clouds indicator will be used as a trend filter. If the Ripster EMA Clouds are green and located below the price candlesticks, that indicates a bullish trend. In this case, your main focus should be on finding the best point to place a buy order. If the Ripster EMA Clouds are red and located above the price candlesticks, that indicates a bearish trend. In this case, your main focus should be on finding the best point to place a sell order. How to place a buy order? If the Ripster EMA Clouds are green and located below the price candlesticks, this indicates a bullish trend. Wait until a buy signal appears from the BlackP indicator. When the buy signal appears, ensure that the formed candlestick is bullish. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take-profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order? If the Ripster EMA Clouds are red and located above the price candlesticks, this indicates a bearish trend. Wait until a sell signal appears from the BlackP indicator. When the sell signal appears, ensure that the formed candlestick is bearish. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take-profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. That's it for today's video. If you found this scalping strategy helpful, make sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.